Tesla, the electric vehicle pioneer, is facing a sales slump. The company recently reported a decline in deliveries for the first quarter of 2025. This marks a significant shift for the automaker, which has enjoyed years of strong growth. In response, Tesla is taking bold steps to reignite sales. The company has launched aggressive promotions, including 0% financing deals and the return of its popular full self-driving transfer program. These moves come as Tesla faces mounting competition and a challenging economic climate. The sales decline is a wake-up call for Tesla. The company is no longer the only game in town when it comes to electric vehicles. Established automakers are rapidly expanding their EV offerings. Startups are also vying for a slice of the growing market. This increased competition is putting pressure on Tesla to maintain its market share. Beyond competition, Tesla is also grappling with economic headwinds. Inflation and rising interest rates are making consumers more cautious about big-ticket purchases. This is particularly true in the automotive sector, where prices have been steadily increasing. Tesla's price cuts earlier this year, while intended to stimulate demand, have also impacted profitability. The combination of these factors has created a perfect storm for Tesla. The company is now facing its biggest test yet. How Tesla responds in the coming months will be crucial for its long-term success. One of Tesla's boldest moves is the introduction of 0% APR financing for the Model 3. This attractive offer allows qualified buyers to finance their purchase over 60 months with no interest charges. For consumers, this deal can significantly reduce the monthly payment, making the Model 3 more affordable. It's a compelling proposition, especially in an environment of rising interest rates. However, there are some caveats to this deal. Buyers need to make a 15% down payment to qualify for the 0% APR offer. This translates to around $6,000 for the base Model 3. While the $7,500 federal tax credit for electric vehicles can be applied towards the down payment, it still represents a significant upfront cost for buyers. Furthermore, the 0% APR offer is only available for a limited time and on specific Model 3 configurations. It's not clear how long Tesla plans to keep this promotion running. Buyers interested in other models like the Model Y, Model S, or Model X are not eligible for this particular financing deal. In another strategic move, Tesla has reinstated its full self-driving transfer program. This program allows existing Tesla owners to transfer their FSD package to a new Tesla vehicle. The program had been discontinued, much to the disappointment of Tesla enthusiasts. Its return is seen as a way to incentivize upgrades and attract new customers. The FSD transfer program comes with its own set of rules and limitations. It's not applicable to all Tesla models. The Foundation Series Cybertruck, Model Y launch series, and leased vehicles are excluded from this program. Additionally, both the original and new Tesla vehicles must be under the same Tesla account for the transfer to be eligible. While the return of the FSD transfer program is a welcome move for many, it also highlights the evolving nature of Tesla's technology offerings. As Tesla continues to refine and update its FSD software, the ability to transfer the package between vehicles adds a layer of complexity. It remains to be seen how this program will evolve alongside Tesla's autonomous driving technology. Deciphering Tesla's motivations. Tesla's aggressive promotions are a clear indication that the company is feeling the heat. The sales decline in the first quarter of 2025 has raised concerns among investors and analysts. Tesla CEO Elon Musk has acknowledged the challenging market dynamics, citing macroeconomic factors and increased competition as key contributors to the sales slump. By offering 0% APR financing and bringing back the FSD transfer program, Tesla is aiming to stimulate demand and entice buyers who might be hesitant due to the current economic climate. These moves are particularly targeted at the North American market, where Tesla is facing fierce competition from rivals like Rivian and Ford. The strategic focus on the Model 3 with these promotions suggests that Tesla is prioritizing volume over margin in the short term. The Model 3, being Tesla's most affordable vehicle, is seen as key to driving mass adoption. By making it more accessible through attractive financing options, Tesla hopes to boost sales and maintain its market share. Anticipating Tesla's next move. While the current promotions are primarily focused on the Model 3, it's reasonable to expect Tesla to extend similar offers to other models if sales don't rebound in the second quarter of 2025. The Model Y, being Tesla's best-selling vehicle, could could be the next in line for incentives. Beyond financial incentives, Tesla might also leverage its technological edge to attract buyers. Enhancements to its autopilot and full self-driving features, along with the expansion of its supercharger network, could be on the cards. Tesla could also accelerate the launch of new models, like the Cybertruck, to generate excitement and attract new customers. The coming months will be crucial for Tesla as it navigates a rapidly evolving market. The company's ability to adapt its strategies and respond to market dynamics will determine its success in the years to come. Will these strategies drive sales? Whether Tesla's aggressive promotions will be enough to boost sales remains to be seen. The 0% APR financing deal for the Model 3 is certainly attractive for buyers looking for an affordable electric vehicle. However, the required down payment might still be a barrier for some. The return of the FSD transfer program is a welcome move for Tesla enthusiasts, but its impact on overall sales is likely to be limited. The program's restrictions and the evolving nature of Tesla's FSD technology add complexity for buyers. Ultimately, Tesla's success will depend on a multitude of factors, including the overall health of the economy, consumer sentiment towards electric vehicles, and the competitive landscape. Tesla's brand appeal, technological innovation, and loyal customer base will continue to be its strengths. The road ahead for Tesla and consumers. Tesla's recent moves highlight the increasing competition and evolving dynamics of the electric vehicle market. As more players enter the market and consumers become more discerning, automakers will need to be more creative and aggressive in their strategies to attract and retain customers. For consumers, this competitive landscape presents opportunities to find the best deals and choose from a wider range of electric vehicles. As technology advances and production scales up, the cost of electric vehicles is expected to come down, making them even more accessible to a wider range of buyers. The road ahead for Tesla and the electric vehicle market is filled with both challenges and opportunities. Tesla's bold moves are a sign that the company is not afraid to adapt and innovate in the face of adversity. As the electric vehicle revolution continues to unfold, Tesla's journey will be one to watch closely.